in the little town that I lived in. Back then, it was very early 80s. This is in Brooksville, Florida. There was an old guy, and he rode, I want to say he rode like a Kawasaki GPZ maybe mid to late 70s GPZ. His name was Dennis, and everybody around town knew him as Grinning Dennis. Dude didn't have a tooth in his mouth, and he was always smiling. He was always going down the road with a big old smile on his face, and he would wave to everybody. His left arm was up in the air, and it was just flapping. If he saw a car, a bike, it didn't matter. Grinning Dennis was waving. And I'm not that bad, but if I see another bike, especially a Harley, my arm is going straight up in the air, and it's just gonna wave. And the Harley owners might think that I'm an idiot. Watch. They might think I'm an idiot, but I'm smiling. I am smiling under my helmet. Because I'd rather be a happy import bike owner than a frowning Harley Davidson owner. At least I'm out riding and having a good time. They got their Corvette out too. And if I didn't mention it, which I don't think I have, my girlfriend's behind me. I have my wife on the back seat, and my girlfriend's right behind me. One of them waved. Two waved. So Tracy's behind me on his 959 course. He texted me to see if I was going riding today, and I said, well, we were going to go up to Sloppy Hog, and his immediate reply was, I'm in. So that tells you the food's pretty good, that if Tracy wants to ride this far, Sloppy Hog's a pretty good ride. I'm going to say it's probably 2 hours and 15 minutes for me. 3 hours I take a break. I usually take a break somewhere. We stopped at the Cherahela Market today. There's not a bug on the camera. I've been doing my best to eliminate all the little gnats up here in the National Forest. There's the Jeep Club. Look at this view. You can see all the way over to the Smokies. That's the Smokies up there in the background. I think it's closed right now. I think I read somewhere that Newfound Gap Road is closed until early October. There's a really bad washout. To me, it didn't look that bad, but about a foot of the road, well, let's just say the white line was about 10 feet down from where it was supposed to be. It was down on the creek bed, side of the creek. So they're gonna have to backfill it and maybe put some boulders in place or something to hold up the edge of the road. But we are now where the Foothills starts at 321. If you take a left here, you can go to Maryville. If you keep going straight, you can go to Weir's Valley. This is the new section. Welcome to the Foothills Parkway. I'm not sure what a valid parking tag is. Because when I come up here, I just pull off and park. I've only seen park rangers up here a handful of times. I've probably seen more Blount County deputies than I've seen park rangers up here. I read that the park rangers are camping out on the Blue Ridge Parkway this month to increase revenue. They say it's for safety. But if you're running radar and writing tickets, I'm pretty sure that's to help pay for road improvements. Blue Ridge Parkway's been pretty beat up for quite a while. They definitely need to get some asphalt out there. It is not smooth like this road. I'll let you see. That's going to be one of my trips coming up. I've been wanting to go to Pisgah Inn. I may have to do it alone. Definitely on a weekday. Have any friends that want to ride that far. That would be about